Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is November the 4th, and I'm using my Mega Scalper trading system. This system uses the Heikin-Ashi candles along with the super signal indicator. That's these blue and red arrows. Now it uses some moving averages on the top. It has this, as you can see, this Mega Scalper right here. Changes from blue to red, and down at the bottom it has some oscillating indicators. Now you'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box right here suggesting to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments and of course looking at my daily trade plan. Now once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. Analyzes the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. After some calculations within the comments here, it'll either say look for bullish trades or bearish trades, and some will say preferred. And when there's no decision, you could say like not enough strength. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, like my mentor said many years ago, well, that's one main reason why we have a very high failure rate. So you must have some kind of a daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Today the Forex market was a bit on the slower side, so I decided to just do the futures and the indexes as they move a lot more and pay a lot more. As you can see down here at the bottom, and of course this DAX 30 was the big mover for the day here. So now we can run a check on these. First one here is the Dow Jones. So let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Have the arrow from the daily trade plan, the super signal, the scalper was red. Well, obviously easy decision to make. So I sold it. Now I took the money, divided it by 5, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it's 28. So there it is right there, 28 ticks, and that paid out $140. Remember, there's 5 things that you're going to need to succeed at trading. I'm not going to go through all the 5, but if you want to know what they are, all you have to do is look right below this video. One of them is you're going to need a lot of education, and I can provide you with a lot of education. Now you should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Now when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support you'll still struggle to succeed at trading. And of course after you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. You must learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. Keep in mind that if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Moving on to the next trade, S&P 500, exactly the same as the Dow Jones, pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it's 30 ticks, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Of course, if I stayed in the trade, I'd be making a lot more. But I'm only looking for 200 ticks a day. Unless it's Forex, of course, then it's pips. So I took the trade at this point. Everything's screaming it's going to go down. Scalper, arrows, daily trade plan. Got in at this cursor. Down to this area is like that's over 200 ticks. But I was happy with, what do they say? It's about 30. There it is right there. Remove the last digit, so it's 30 ticks, and that paid out $150. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Here's another one I wanted to be selling. I sold all of them actually. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Daily trade plan, the super signal, the scalper. Every scalper was red. If I stayed in, I would have made a lot more. But when I closed it out, I knew I had over 200 and I was happy with that. What did I say? It should be about 18. There it is right there, 18 ticks, and that paid out $180. And of course, I'm glad I'm out of the trade, because if I wasn't keeping an eye on the trade, I would have turned a winning trade. It'd be a losing trade right at this point in time. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick, so looking at the money, easy to see that there should be 22 ticks, so let's drag and drop this up. Please keep in mind, this way of trading, I teach it in a video called How to Trade Pullbacks. In other words, pull back to the goal line. But we had the arrow here, the scalper. Everything was looking good, the Heikin-Ashi candles. So I knew with 95% certainty I had a winner. So let's see, it should be around 22. There it is right there, 22 ticks, paying out $220. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade the markets. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the DAX 30. Now this one pays $3.75 for each tick. Took the money, divided by that number, and calculator says it is 485. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything telling me it's going to go down, the scalper, daily trade plan. So here we go, took the trade here. We're looking for 485. Well, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show. But it is 485, and all of those ticks paid out $1,818. So another great day of trading using my mega scalper. I added up everything here. I knew it was going to be well over 200 ticks. Grand total came to 583, and all of those ticks paid out $2,508. So if your system's not producing like my mega scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Actually, there's 4 different packages right below this video, and I recommend you getting all 4 packages. Now, if you have any questions, well, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Now, to do that, quite simple, all you got to do is look right below this video. In the description, there's a banner, the word more, just click on that. Another window pops open. And at that point, you'll be able to get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. Answer the phone most of the time, unless I'm busy. Or you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. I made a link. All you got to do is click on the link. We'll have a Skype connection. And through Skype, should be able to answer most of your questions. Also in the description, as I mentioned, there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. Have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.